Welcome to an exploration of AI fundamentals, where we'll experiment with evolving technologies. Come on in as I fire up my computer resources. Hello. Building microcomputer projects is not new to me, but this spider required transfer of lots more code than simpler technologies. Fortunately, RealVNC brought an easy cut-and-paste way to move code between devices on one screen. And RealVNC had a free limited use package for hobbyists. But then in 2023, Pi 5 Bookworm almost ended that resource. Fortunately, Wayland can be replaced by X11, with only one extra step to get RealVNC working on a Bookworm Raspberry Pi 5. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.